What is your name, title, and company name?
I'm Amaral Telllawi. I'm a partner here at Amaral Telllawi Law.
And I'm Saeed Tellawi. I'm also a partner here at Amaral Telllawi Law, and I'm the small business attorney.
How did you get into your industry?
I really got into the estate planning business from the work that I did before, which was financial advising. Through that, I had dealt with a lot of estate planning attorneys, and I really loved that type of work.
How did you find and finalize your life's passion?
Well, similar to Thais, I was also in a different industry before the law. I was in the real estate business, and I've always loved buildings and shopping centers, even as a child, and it just kind of led me naturally to be involved in real estate transactions, and I just started representing real estate investors, and that led me to the business side of the law firm also.
What are 2 tips of advice you would give to someone trying to get in your industry, career, or profession?
I would encourage them. I would say yes, do it. It's one of the best decisions I ever made. And I guess the first thing that I would say is invest in some software that will help with organization. Particularly if you're going to be a law firm or a company dealing with money and important family decisions. You just want to be organized from the get-go. And I can just say from experience that it's much harder getting to that point than just starting off that way. And then the second thing would just be, be passionate about what you're starting, because you're going to put long hours in, and if you don't love what you do, it's going to be really painful.
What was the best advice you received in your career?
The best advice I ever got in my legal career came from an older attorney that I approached to help on a case, and what I learned was that there's always a solution. There's always a way to figure out how to get the client what they want, and more importantly, to get everyone that's involved in a transaction what they want.
What can attendees look forward to most at your BAC session?
Our session is going to be loaded with information. We always say that when we talk, it's like drinking water from a fire hydrant. So come ready to take notes, and you're going to leave with lots of great information.
Why do you think the Business Advancement Conference is important to the business community?
Well, I think that there are a lot of information sources out there, and I think that sometimes clients and business owners can be overwhelmed with what's available and what's right and what's wrong, and conferences like this really provide a forum where you're getting reliable information.
What do you think makes the Business Advancement Conference different than other conferences?
Well, I think it's just the level of organization that's involved, and educating folks out there about it and what kind of content is going to be involved. So I just think that you guys do a great job at promoting the conference, and I think when you educate people about what they're going to get, they're much more likely to sign up and attend. So I think it's going to be very successful.
And is there anything else that any of you would like to add?
We're really excited to be involved. We look forward to the conference.
Yeah, thanks for the opportunity.